And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 pretty quick with this real simple method. I'm going to give you all the details coming right up in this video. And also, if you want to learn how to create an income, passive income, from the comfort of your own home, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to go and hit subscribe. Turn on the little bell icon so you can be updated for any of my other videos, because I'm uploading a lot more content to make you guys a lot more money. Now, let's get into this. Now, the website I'm showing you is called listverse.com. So Listverse is a website where they do top 10 lists on absolutely everything. They do bizarre, entertainment, general knowledge, lifestyle, absolutely everything. They do top 10 lists. But here's the interesting part. Now, with Listverse, you can write and get paid. They pay you $100 to write a list if they use it. So let's have a little read through this. Now, if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you an interesting way that you could go about this. So, get paid $100. Do you want to earn money online? Well, yeah, I think everyone does. Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you. Readers who didn't have any experience as writers but decided to put a list together and send it in. So here's the deal. We will pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humour and a love for things unusual or interesting. So it works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum, so that's really not that much, is it? You send it in, we reply and say, great, we'll publish it and send you $100 by PayPal. So like most of the stuff that I do show you, you do need a PayPal account. Or they will reply and say, sorry, it isn't the sort of thing our readers will love. Give it another shot. So just remember, your list should be at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry. Either way, you win. Your list will be read by us and reviewed, and if it's amazing, it will appear on the front page of Listverse to be read by millions of people a month. So if this is something you're interested in, go in the description. I'm going to leave links to this page and the front page so you can come through and check it out. Because if you are interested in this, then you really need to go through their website, check out their lists, and see if there's something that you could make a list about. Now, here's the interesting part. What I would do is I would go to iWriter and completely outsource this. Completely outsource it, get the list done, send it to Listverse, and you keep the profit. So it's going to cost, if you have a list that they really like, they will give you $100. But if you go to iWriter, this is iWriter.com. This is just a website where you can outsource your articles. So if you come to iWriter and you come to pricing, for 300 words in the Elite Plus, now I recommend using Elite Plus or Elite because the Premium and Standard probably wouldn't be up to scratch. But again, 300 words. Let's do Elite. So 300 words for an Elite article would cost you $7.70. So let's say the whole article was 400 words. I'm not actually sure how many words the article would be, but that would only cost you $9.30. So let's round that off to $10. Say if Listverse liked your article, you're going to get $90 profit, and you didn't do anything. You're just the middleman again. This is why I like arbitrage, because you're just the middleman. But let's say that it cost you 500 words for the article and it cost you $11. Again, you're going to be making $89 profit. Now, bear in mind, if you go this route, which I'm showing you, then you're going to have to go $11 or $9.30 out of pocket. So you're going to have to use a little bit of money up front. But the profit, you can't complain at that, can you? Like $90 profit for literally doing nothing. Now, you don't have to go this route. You could literally go onto Listverse, do your research, and then come up with an article and do it that way, and that way it doesn't cost you anything. It's completely up to you. But anyway, I just thought I would show you this. This is a brilliant way just to make a quick $100, which you can do right this second. Now, there's almost one thing that I forgot about. If you do use iWriter, then when you hire a writer, it is essential that you have to say that you will be running the article through Copyscape. Now, what is Copyscape? Copyscape ensures, if we go to here, Copyscape is a free plagiarism checker. The software lets you detect duplicate content and check if your articles are original. So you'd say to the writer that's doing your work that you're going to run this through Copyscape to ensure that the article is completely unique, because you don't want to put a little bit of money up front, $10 to get an article written, send it over to Listverse, and then for them to tell you that it's not a unique article. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.